Good day everyone, I am Mary Grace Jalago, discussant for today, and I'm going to discuss about weather and climate. But before that, there are learning objectives that I'm going to tackle, and that is first, discuss the difference between weather and climate. Second, explain how these two affect the entire globe. And the last one is identify the changes observed between weather and climate. We heard about weather and climate all the time. Most of us check the local weather forecast to plan our days, and climate change is certainly a hot topic in the news. There is, however, still a lot of confusion over the difference between the two. So today I'm going to discuss about the comparison between weather and climate and how these two differ from each other. So first, let's talk about the definition of weather. Weather is a day-to-day information of the changes in the atmospheric condition in an area. Climate. So next one is climate. Climate is statistical weather information that provides information about the average weather condition of a particular place over a long period of time. So when we say average, it is the result of all weather condition over a long period of time. The definition of this is very opposite to the definition of weather. For example, many parts of Japan have harsh climates. Philippines experience El Nino. So it is about the totality of weather conditions over a long period of time. So next, the duration. The duration of weather is short-term atmospheric condition. When we say duration, it is the length of time. I said before that weather is day-to-day information, meaning to say it is temporary. Therefore, it is a short-term atmospheric condition. In climate, duration of this is long-term average weather atmospheric condition of a place or country. So it is a long-term average, while climate is a short-term atmospheric condition. So weather affected by temperature, pressure, humidity, cloudiness, wind, precipitation, rain, flooding, ice storm, and etc. Meaning to say, the changes in temperature, pressure, and etc. are caused by weather. Therefore, we have weather forecasts to show the changes in weather. So, in climate, affected by long-term observations of the atmospheric condition at any location like humidity, temperature, the sunshine, wind, etc. It means that, for example, the world today is currently facing global warming. It means that we have global warming because the earth exceeds the limitation of hotness over a long period of time. So weather naman, it affects the day-to-day occupation, and it may hamper transportation services, agricultures, and etc. Indeed, for example, Gubat are experiencing a rainy day. Because of this condition, some people cannot go out for picnic or play outside, and some cannot do their job because of weather condition. In climate, significantly affect the agricultures, industries, the livelihood of the people. For example, Philippines experiencing El Nino. By that condition, it affects the overall productivity of product, especially in the agricultures, industries, and even the livelihood of people. In weather, changes observed. So weather is very frequently, uh, meaning to say we always observe this. It is a short-term condition, but it is often. Next is climate changes observed take a longer time to change. Weather is studied by observed by meteorological department of any particular place, and the study is known as meteorology. So weather, uh, the study is known as meteorology. Sa climate, studied by the Climate Prediction Center predicts climate, and its study is known as climatology. So I hope that you got a lot of knowledge coming from presentations. Thank you for listening, and thank you for listening, and God bless.